Okay, now let's see. The next problem is to find the product of two compatible matrices. Okay, last exercise we had done the summation of the matrices. Now we have to calculate the product. Now uh, instead of typing the whole thing again, let's see whether we can reuse some part of the code of the previous program. So let's open it. Let's see. Let's go to source. Okay, now here we have all these include statements, variables being declared. Now order, okay, compatibility, entry. Okay, so up to here is what we can use. So copy, then we go back here and we say paste. And now what we'll do is just make the necessary changes. So product, or we can just say prod, or we can just say p. Okay, so now this is perfectly fine. Okay, and here the condition would be different. The condition would be that n1 not equal to, if it is not equal to m2, n1 not equal to m2, then the matrix, that means if it is equal, then only it is compatible. Okay, so here we are taking the input into array A, array B. Okay, so now we have to start calculating. Okay, so again, since we have to go through a two-dimensional array, let's set up the looping structure. So paste. Okay, make sure that the conditions are correct. Condition should be I less than m1 and j less than n2. Okay, now within that, for the first element of the product, we initialize it to 0. Okay, so we have initialized it to 0, and now we set up the loop. Okay, so for k equal to 0, k is a variable which we'll use to refer to the specific elements within the arrays for evaluating the product. Okay, so k less than n1, k plus plus. Okay, and now the product element, okay, product element would be equal to, remember we have to sum it up, so I and j plus a of I k into b of ki. Okay, not ki, j. Okay, and that basically completes our code. So actual calculation of the product of two arrays is nothing but this from here till here. Rest all is just setting up the environment for us to be able to do that. Okay, so see out the resultant matrix is, okay, end line. Okay, now again remember we have to set up the same loop. So edit copy and edit paste. Okay, now the M1 and N2. Okay, so these two are correct. Now we just display the result. Okay, cout set width 5 and then P of I and J. Okay, and once this loop is over, okay, we don't require this and we don't require this. So now cout end line. Now for the outer loop there are two statements, so we need to put it in a block. Okay, now the whole thing is over. We say get ch and then close the main block. Okay, so now let's okay, this has come, the original I didn't delete, so let's cut it off. Okay, not the sum, product of two compatible matrices. Okay, so let's save it, let's run it. Okay, what is the error? Undefined symbol. Okay, undefined means usually we have not okay declared it, so let's say k. Okay, yes, so let us say 2 by 2 and 2 by 2 matrix. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, so 7 10 15 22. Perfect. Okay, so cancel, let's save it first, save. Okay, now let's run it again. Okay, 2 3 1 3 3 3 3. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The resultant matrix is this. Okay, reload from a no. Okay, now let's run it with a known problem. Let's run it 2 and 3, 2 and 3 incompatible matrices. Okay, great. So now we can save it and quit.